Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Stowaway In A Sleigh by C.Roger Mader. Please enjoy. And I want to welcome some brand new subscribers here to this channel here. Welcome aboard. Feel free to check out my other book readings here on my channel, and feel free to share out my channel as well. But again, welcome aboard. It was darkest hour of night when Slipper heard strange footsteps in the house. Step by step, on softly padded paws, she crept closer and closer. Then she discovered Mr. Furry Boots. Slippers was smitten. They shared a quick moment together before Slippers did exactly what any curious cat would do. Cat's getting in Santa's bag. Uh-oh. Mr. Furry Boots had finished his round, so he headed on home without knowing he had a passenger. When they arrived, Miss Furry Boots saw the wiggling lump, and she let the cat out of the bag. Slippers was all tuckered out. The next morning, she visits the room where all the gifts are lovely wrapped. She found out they made toys for cats and made new friends. But back at the house, Slipper had a longing to be home. When Mr. Furry Boots finally found her, He understood. So that night, Slippers took her second ride in his sleigh, but this time she flew first class. And Santa made a very special delivery. Yeah, he took Slippers home, huh? Wasn't that nice of Mr. Furry Boots to do that? Take Slippers back home to her family. I'm sure they would have missed her big time. But wasn't that a cute little story? Yeah, if it was, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? And check out my other book readings I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. And take care, everybody.